y equals to 3x squared plus, so the equation is y equals to 3x squared plus 16x minus 35, right? And part of line L is given with equation. So the equation of L is also given, I think, which is 2y minus 11x equals 210, right? P and Q are points of intersection of C and L. Point P, this point and this point, right? P and Q. Yeah, great. R is the point on the x-axis. R is the point on the x-axis, such that PR is parallel to y-axis. PR is parallel to y-axis. Great. Show that the area of the triangle PQR, PQR is this much. Okay. Let's just connect PQR. Okay, so the first thing that I need is I need these three coordinates, right, to find the area, right? If I know these three coordinates, I can easily use the formula and I can find the area, right? So my first step is to find point P and Q. Okay, so this will be like solving a quadratic simultaneous equation. So from here, I can say that 2y is equals to 110 plus 11x, right?
Yeah.
Right. Now multiply this equation 1 with 2. So 2y and this with 2. So you will get, basically, you will get 6x squared, 32x minus 70, right? And that will be equals to 110 plus 11x, right? Now transpose everything to the right hand, to the left hand side. What?
Happens to 2y.
I replaced that 2y with this, right? Because at these points, they are basically equal.
Oh, yeah.
The coordinates for P are same for the curve and for the line. So I'm basically only talking at that particular point, and that is why I'm looking for P and Q points, not any other point. Because for them, X and Y are same, right?
Yeah.
So you solve it, 6x squared. How much is 32 minus 11?
21.
Plus 21x. And this is, I think, will be minus 180, right?
Yeah.
And now you can take 3 common. So if you take 3 out, yeah, so this will be a result. And then if you use the quadratic formula, x will be minus b plus minus root square b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, right? Find the value for x.
Okay. By
Minus 7 plus minus b square minus 4 times 2 times minus 16 divided by 2 times 2, which is minus 7. 49 plus 480 divided by 4.
the answer is 4.
There will be 2 answers.
4. It's minus 75.
right? So when x equals to minus 7.5, then y will be how much?
Negative. Well, I just got 13.75.
Yeah, 13.75. And when x is 4, then what you will get?
Will it not be 77?
Now come to your diagram. Positive result means this is in the first quadrant, so we have to take P as 4 and 77, right? And because this is in the second quadrant, you have to take negative 7.5 and 13.75. Sorry,
That's the
negative
coordinate.
7. Yeah. Right? So that is the coordinate for Q. This is the coordinate for P. And if this is the coordinate for P, then R will be 4, 0, right? Because it's on the straight line.
The formula for area
Formula for
is not
area.
just like half base times height.
That is only possible if it is a right angle triangle. Do you think it's a right angle triangle?
No.
Then you can't. Please write the
You can
formula area of
you
triangle.
can still calculate the height by drawing a line in between. From
You
R
can do
to
what?
if you draw a line from R to perpendicular to PQ.
Yeah, but how will you find the coordinate of the perpendicular to calculate the height? For example, even if you have drawn this length, let's say this is 90 degrees and this point is PQR, let's say S. What are the coordinates of S? If you don't know the coordinates of S, how will you find this length? Anyways, so area of triangle, if 3 coordinate points are given to us is, when you write x2, it will be y3 minus y1. And when you write x3, it will be y1 minus y2, okay? And this result is always positive because area is always positive. So even if you get minus 5 as answer, you will take it as 5. It is in the modulus, mod. You understand? So it's always positive. Now just take whatever you want to take, x1, x2, whatever. For example, I can take this as x1, y1, this as x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. Now I need your help, okay? To find, use the calculator. Half. What is x1? 4. Y1. I'm sorry, 1 second. Y2 minus y3. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. That is fine. So half, half 4. What is y2? 0. 0 minus y3. 13.75. X2. X2 is 4. Y3, 13.75. Minus y1. What is y1? 77, right?
Yeah.
Plus x3. What is x3? Negative 7.5. So you can write directly as negative 7.5. Y1. What is y1? 77. What is y2? 0. Solve it.
I think it's minus 442.75.
You're getting minus 442.75 because this is in modulus, as I told you, 442.75 centimeters square. Proved. This is what you have to prove, right?
Oh.